This is beautiful. Man, when did you plant that? Oh, you planted that last year.
Yeah.
November. It's freaking huge, man. Yeah.
It's not elephant garlic.
It's not?
No.
What is it? Russian?
Just a variety of the best ones from last season.
So you saved the cloves, you saved the bulbs, and wow. Wayne grows it. His son used to be a stonemason, right across from Wild Willie, in that area, on North End Road. Willie on Margolin, right across. A guy named Wayne. He sells lots of garlic too. Portuguese we got off of music, but it's never grown big like this. This stuff's like on steroids.
And the stuff you get in the stores now,
No, it doesn't last. It's crap.
And I made black garlic this spring.
Oh, that's good. I like it. That's
Nailed it.
no, that's good.
Nailed it.
I love it. It's good.
You got to hover, and I got the right setup now. The slow cooker on keep warm.
Yeah.
A thermometer, 140 degrees, and then I put it all in a food safe bag, and I flip it twice a day.
It's good.
4 weeks, and then.
Yeah, we buying that stuff at the Korean store in Langley. Phil and I buy. That's really good stuff. Almost kind of sweet.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
Do you eat the tops of these too? Yeah, they heard
My
they're
sister
really.
pickles them. Another woman here, she dries them and grinds them with salt.
I've never had them before, but I heard they're really good.
grinds them with salt.
And
Cool.
she's making a little company. It's
Cool.
Cool.
gonna be good.
Oh, this is great.
She'll be at the market. So like a Himalayan garlic and salt. Yeah.
Wendy's at the market every Saturday by the local pub. She sells her stuff there. Yeah. This is
I'm gonna come
looking.
in Saturday.
She's right. But you know where the local pub is? The Palms.
Yep.
She's on the water side, right right there. Yeah.
It's going to be busy.
My
though.
old
It's a
boss
long
from
weekend.
26 years ago was coming from New Zealand.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Family was getting back from Alaska, and they're flying over for the day.
Look at the garlic here. Holy cow. I didn't even realize you had it in there. You have tons of garlic.
25 years ago, yeah.
Wow. That's beauty.
Oh, yeah. Come by and say hi.
I will.
Give him a card.
You
Give him an art.
won't be able to miss us because they're both mom and dad were rugby players, and the kids are bigger than mom and dad. I'll be walking in like with giants. Their daughter was so funny. So when I was living there, their daughter must have been 3.